The brake spring holds the flywheel brake firmly against the flywheel when the mower is shut off. The spring is attached to the flywheel brake bracket. If the bracket is damaged, the spring can come free and be lost. After many years of use, the end of the spring can fatigue and break. Replacing the brake spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor cover. I'll remove the gas cap so the cover can clear the spout. With the engine cover removed, I have access to the brake spring. I'll use a puller to remove it. Now I can install the new spring. I'll loop the spring around the bracket, and then I'll stretch the spring and loop it around the other side of the bracket. Now I'll reinstall the motor cover. And that's all it takes to replace the brake spring on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.